Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. In this video, I would like to show you how to add an interactive element in your online course. Good online course is not easy to design because in order to engage the student in the online course, we must design the course to have some interactive elements so that the students can interact with the content. So the interaction is between the student and the content, in addition to the interaction between the students and the students in the course and the students and the instructor or the teacher. So let's say you're looking at this course, enzyme applications in the bakery product. Let me quit this one. All right. So let's say I go straight into this lesson here. What goes into bread? And I have a picture here. So I want to talk about what goes into the bread, the ingredients that goes into a bread. Then I want to present the information in an interactive manner rather than just giving the information straightforward in the form of text or bullet point. So I have a picture here, and this is actually a picture of bread, and you can see there's a plus sign there. It's kind of flickering, and that shows that it's actually a hotspot where the students can click. So when they click, you can see the information pop up, and it's actually about yeast. So you have a picture of yeast powder there and some description or explanation about yeast. And the same thing here. Okay, so there's information about the liquid that we add into the liquid in form of water or milk, buttermilk, cream, and so on that we add into the bread and the function of it. So we have this information presented very briefly. The flour. So we have a picture of flour and then the description about the flour. And the same thing here. So how do we design this kind of interactive content here? So you need certain kind of application to develop this. Actually, in PowerPoint, you can also do this kind of interactive content, but probably easier to use a specific application that can produce this kind of content. So the first thing, you need a picture. So I'm using a picture from public domain. So where can you get this picture? One of my favorite website is Pixabay. So Pixabay, they have over 1 million high quality pictures, and they are all public domain, which means that you can simply use without any you don't have to worry about copyright issue because it's public domain. You can use it freely. So when you come to this website, you can just search. I want to search for a picture of bread, and then you can find the picture that you want to use. This is the one that I used in the example just now. So all I need to do now is to download, and you can choose the size of the picture that you want to download. So let's say I want to download this one, and I just download it. Okay, so I'll download to my computer. Next is how do we prepare this interactive element here, the hotspot here, and add the information. So to do this, I want to introduce to you this application called Genialy. So you can Google genial.ly and we'll come to this website. And basically what is Genialy is an application to allow you to create a stunning visual and effective content for your e-learning course or for your online course. This is actually a wonderful application. Can see what Genialy can do. You can produce interactive content in various formats. You can create a presentation, dossier, learning experience, gamification, interactive image, the one that I showed in the example just now, and other kind of presentation. So you can actually explore. All these different kind can become your content for your online course. So you can sign up for a free account, but of course for the free account, it's quite limited, but still sufficient for most intent and purpose. And there's also a bookmark. You will see a watermark on your product. So I have signed up. So I will log in now. So I'm using a free account, although I have my the account that I subscribe to Genialy. So I'm using my free account now. So let me just show you one example of product that I produced using Genialy. So I have a diagram here. Then I add the element, the interactive element here. So let me just view or present to see how it looks like. Okay, so this is the finished product. I'll show you how to create something like this. So as you can see here, when I put my cursor there, I don't even click. I just hover the cursor over the element here. Then the information will pop up about the community of inquiry here. And I have another type here. So you can see some animation there. And when I put the cursor there, and there's a description about what does it mean by social presence. Same thing here, cognitive presence. What is cognitive presence? So, teaching presence. What does it mean by teaching presence? And I can also add a video here. I can embed a video. When I click, then a video will appear. Then I can play the video or view the video. And I can embed even more than one video here, as you can see. And the same thing here. So I have another thing. This one, I know. What is it? What is it? Okay, never mind. There's another video here. Okay. So you can embed a video. You can embed an image. You can embed information like this. So in one diagram here, actually you can have a lot of information, but the information is not kind of crowded because it's kind of hidden. Only when we put the cursor there, it will appear. So this one example of interactive content that we can create, and you can use Genialy to create a product like this. Okay, so oops. Okay, now let's create a new one. So to create a new one, can go back. Let's start with a new file. So you can see here, these are some of the product interactive content that I've created. So to create a new one, I just click create Genialy, and these are the different kind of interactive element that I can produce. Here I want to create interactive image, then I click create. Okay, interactive image, transform your static images into incredible interactive images. This is ideal for enriching your images with multiple layers of information, just like the example that I showed you just now. And there's a tutorial how to make an interactive image. So actually you can watch this, but never mind, I will do my own tutorial. And there's an example here if you want to get some idea of what are the different possibilities the product that you can produce. Okay, now I want to create an interactive image. Click the plus sign here. Then I have to add the image. So I click, or you can drag the picture here, or I can find the pictures that I want to use, which I have downloaded just now. This is it? Where's the great picture? This one. All right. Great picture. Okay, so it's uploading. Maximum 5 megabyte file. So make sure the file is smaller than 5 megabyte. All right, so okay, so the picture, and they already put some elements. So this is actually the hotspot, and you can actually drag it where you want to position. So let's say I want to indicate something on the product there. Okay, let's just put it here, and then you can use a different symbol. In this case, that is plus sign, but you can also use a different symbol here. You can choose the kind of the type of symbol that you want to use. It depends on your preference. So we have an option to use button with text, markers. Okay. So the next one. So let's say I want to put more than one. Let's say I want to put 3 just for this exercise. I want to put 3 1, 2, then another one, let's say here. Okay, that's enough for the example here. So now I want to add, when the students click on this hotspot, we call it hotspot here, we want something to appear. So what is it that we want to appear? The information. So maybe the information can be in the form of text, information can be in the form of picture, or can be in the form of video, or combination of text and video, or text and a picture. So let's start with this one. So you just double click. Not double click, actually you have to click this one. Then you have the option here. Select type of interactivity, tooltip, window, and link. So tooltip is when you click the hotspot, when the student click the hotspot, it will open and a tooltip will open when you hover your mouse over the element. So when you put a mouse, it will pop up. Okay. Window will open when you click on the element. So in between these two, it's up to you which one to use. Let's say we take this one. Whoa. All right. Okay, now you can add the picture. You can add the text. So let's say I want to add a picture first. So add a picture. Okay, drop the image or click. So this one, I want to use this. I want to add information about the flower. So this is a picture of flower. It's uploading now. Then I want to put an image caption here. This is with flower. Then I want to add some text. Okay, that's it. Sorry, I took some time to figure out this now. Now I have a text about wheat flour. So I prepared the text about wheat flour. Then I just paste, put some space there. Something like that. Okay, then I click save. So I'm done with this one. So this one, let's say I want to add information about, so I click and click this one. This one, okay, again, this time I click window and insert picture. And this time the information about here, salt. So we add salt in the bread. Some salt, not much. The caption, salt. Okay, and okay, some information about salt. Salt. Right, where is salt? Here. Salt. And click save. Okay, what about this one? Maybe this one I want to add a video. So tooltip, I want to add a video. Paste the video URL. Okay, I have to go to YouTube. Where is my YouTube? Go to YouTube. Let's say I find a video about bread making. So the magic of bread baking. No, I want to lemon. I just want to show you how to add a video.
Bread takes time and patience.
Okay, just take this video, copy the link, go back to my Genialy, and then paste the video, link, insert, and that's the video. Click save. So I think that's enough. Just to illustrate or to give you some idea of how we can create an interactive element using Genialy. So now let's preview. And you have, yes, yeah, that's nice. Maybe I should do the formatting more properly with flour. And this is a video. Okay, so basically that's how you create an interactive element. Then when you want to embed this, all you need to do is to get the link to your interactive picture here. So you can get, you can go back to your account and you can see your new product that you have created. This one. Then you can get the link, or you can publish and get the link to this. So you can publish and share. And this is the link that you can use to put, or you can embed also in your, so insert here, you can embed, this is the embed code. You can use this to embed in your e-learning course or your online course, or you can link to the interactive image as well. So basically, I've shown you how to create interactive element in your online course or in your e-learning course. That's all for now. You can go ahead and sign up for Genialy and you can explore and you can see the different possibilities of how you can present your content in the interactive form like this one. So thank you for listening.